This is a battery I made for using in my 150cc motorcycle. This was similar to what was used. That means 5Ah lead acid battery. Now this is lithium iron phosphate. It is said to be more safer than lithium iron battery. The lithium iron phosphate is safer than lithium ion, but here you have to use 4 batteries compared to the 3 in lithium ion for getting 14.4 volts, and also it is less energy dense than lithium iron. So this is BMS used, 100 amps LFP BMS, which can be configured in 3S, 4S, 5S configuration. When you order, the seller will do that for you. This chip will be different for lithium ion, and some resistor here is there, and resistor configurations are there. These battery connections are there for different configuration. This they configured for 4S and gave. It was easier to build compared to the bypass diode batteries which I was making with lithium ion. They also work well. Even small capacitor is put, made to be polar capacitor, using two electrolytic polar capacitor. Using two of them, I made it into a non-polar capacitor. The voltage will be same as the two. The value will be half of the two. This is to absorb any spikes coming from the bike's alternator to the BMS, for protecting the BMS. Many people have told to use this, that's why I am using. Output is from these 2 points, so charging and discharging both can be done. And I have checked with 77 ampere load for 20 seconds. Like the 3-4 times I have checked, and nothing is getting heated up or anything. Slightly bigger strips of this nickel plated iron I should have used. These 3 strips are getting heated up. Overall it is okay. Somehow I will fit in the bike, and it is 15 ampere hour each of these battery. It is called 32140 lithium iron phosphate, and it has, I think, 10,000 charge discharge cycle compared to 200 to 300 of this one. So it will last easily for more than 7 years. It should last. Somehow I will fit it in the battery, in the bike, and while washing the bike and all, I will have to remove this because water will catch in between this polyamide tape, and then some problems may occur. This Kapton tape is there. This side is plain. This side is BMS and one protection electrolyte non-polar capacitor is used, electrolytic. I have to somehow make it fit in that. The one which I made earlier using lithium iron, and discharge bypass diodes, the videos I put in YouTube, they are both successful. More than 3 months I have been using it. Yeah, so battery technology is advancing, and I credit China for this. Using 2 such packs, you can easily run an 250 watt motor in an e-bike, electrical bicycle, for around 30 kilometers and all. You can easily run.